If you keep losing your focus, mentally tired, and wasting your time, then this video will be more valuable than you can think of. This video will pull you from the ocean of digital distraction. Imagine a computer system that has a monitor to make the things visible, mouse and keyboard in order to give instructions, and speakers which will help to listen the sound. Before going ahead, I'm giving you 5 seconds and tell me what is the most important part of a computer out of all this. Actually, none of them. The most important part is CPU or control processing unit, which will connect all the external parts together and much more. Nowadays, there is a craze among all the youngsters going to gym, working out, and making a great body. No doubt, this is a positive change, but you should think once the dream body for which you were working day and night. What about its control center, your brain? If your brain is tired, weak, and immature, what will be the left job of the body which you are building day and night? This is like water overflow from a tank. From one side, you are pouring the water, and another side, it is coming out. Every decision, every movement, every thought comes from your brain. When to wake up, what to study, what to focus on, what to ignore, every single thing. When this control unit works perfectly, everything goes smoothly. But the moment your brain gets fried, everything else starts falling apart. The quality of your life is directly proportional to the quality of your brain. Today, almost every app and online businesses is built to grab your attention. There is a simple motive behind it, increasing the engagement. If they can make your brain addicted to this, companies can manipulate you any way they want. Maybe by selling you something, or by getting you download something, or by simply making you spend more time on their platform. It manipulates the reward system of your brain completely. You run after short time pleasures without caring about the long term consequences. This is why your attention span is becoming shorter. You can't think, can't sleep, can't take quality decisions. You are under the control of your phone. Now you are in a loop where your brain is always busy but never satisfied. When the actual time comes to focus on something, you cannot because you have a limited energy which you only have divided on different parts. This is why you feel tired, overwhelmed, and burnout. Even a 5-minute task looks impossible to do. In the next step of the video, I will be telling you about those two techniques which will pull you from the ocean of digital distraction. If you have decided enough is enough, now you want to grow in your life, this channel is dedicated for you. I am making this content on this channel with my full-time job so that students like you can take direction towards the excellence. All I need is little bit of your support. Your one like, one comment, one subscribe tells me that my content is reaching to the right people like you, and which motivates me a lot. The two techniques which I have designed is by keeping the modern world into consideration. We cannot simply say stop using those apps because all those apps are part of our modern life. We cannot cut them out completely. Things go wrong when we lost the control. There is nothing wrong in using those apps as long as the control is in your hand. After applying these two techniques, all those digital distractions which consume your energy silently will come in your control. The first technique is conscious window. Imagine you are studying and suddenly you get an arc, let's check Instagram for 5 minutes. You stop and realize you have set a conscious window from evening 7 to 8. That is the time when everything is allowed at Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or anything you like. You tell yourself that this 5-minute craving does not deserve my focus. And again, when you focus on your task, you win a silent battle. Distractions will always be coming, but you gain control over those distractions. You train your brain in such a way that desires are not bad, rather, their timing is. This is the idea of conscious window. You want to watch reel? Okay. You want to text someone? Okay. You want to check someone's story? Okay. You want to scroll little bit? All okay, but all in their appropriate time. Things are not random now, things are intentional. Let's have a look on how to apply conscious window technique in your daily life. We are not going to rush it. Keep it nice and easy so that it becomes a sustainable habit, not a random mood swing routine. First, take 8 conscious windows, each of 25 minutes. Then divide these 8 windows as per your daily schedule, from morning to night. For example, Instagram feed from morning 7 to 7:25. Reel scrolling from morning 10 to 10:25. In the same way, Snapchat from night 10 to 10:25. Now things are intentional, not random. Now let's see the second technique, which is the gardener. The job of a gardener is not only plant new trees but also giving them a good shape. And in order to give a great shape, gardeners periodically cut down different parts of a tree. In the same way, you have to behave with your phone. Imagine your phone as a tree, you as a gardener, and your life as a garden. Then, in every 9 days, look at your phone. Find out and throw all those apps and notifications which are useless and unimportant. Make sure while you are throwing them out, do not be emotional. Have a smile on your face and repeat this thought in your mind that I am cleaning the obstacles between mine and my future version. If you have watched this video till here, it means you truly wanted to change your life. Understand both the techniques clearly. And when you use them together, you will take back the full control of your mood and your focus. Very soon, you will feel a strong power that is rising inside you. That power will push you in everything you pursue in your life. Every video on this channel has one purpose to help you to move forward in your life and to be the best version of yourself. Subscribe to me. Let's grow together.